New style M-tech. Got the serrate in the middle of the blade. Something that would be very hard to do on a whetstone or pretty much any other sharpener. I'll show you how we do it on the block sharpener. First we're going to do the serrated part right in the middle. That makes it vibrate, chatters up and down through the teeth from the top to the bottom, sharpens all the way through the entire tooth. With the smooth edge, draw through. The rods are made to squeeze back so it follows the original bevel, puts the original edge back in any style knife. I gotta get back in there. You can follow through, it won't hurt the teeth. All the way through the entire tooth. Yeah. Use leather when you're done. A piece of cardboard works too. That'll polish. And you see it does not hurt the edge. What do you think? Feel your knife there, buddy. Did it make a difference?
It did.
Got the serrate too, didn't it?
Yes, it did. Look at that.
There you go. Block Sharpener, 100% American made. We will do any blade.